Hey everyone, in this video we are hiking
Devil's Garden Trail.
Located at the end of Arches National Park Road, Devil's Garden Trail offers something for everyone. Whether you are looking for distance, ease of access, interesting geological features, or a little risk-taking through climbing and scrambling. At this point in the day, after exploring the petroglyphs and dino tracks, we entered Arches National Park with our 2 p.m. timed entry pass. Then we headed to the gift shop for some souvenirs and for the kids to claim their Junior Ranger badges from completing the Junior Ranger workbook. Aside from the various arches, this trail is lined with fin formations, which makes it a perfect trail to embark in the early morning or late afternoon when the sun is low. Pro tip, schedule this hike for sunrise. Our original plan was to be here at sunrise and hike to 00 Arch, stopping at every arch leading up to it, which would be about a 5.5 miles round trip, and depending on our pace, would take 3 to 4 hours. Given the duration of the full hike, and with so many unpredictable things that can come up, like running low on water, getting blisters from improperly fitted shoes, or hiking buddies getting tired, it's not ideal to begin this trail late in the day. You really have to watch the clock to avoid having to navigate this terrain after dark.
Tunnel Arch.
So here we are now, just a couple of hours before sunset. Last-minute reprioritization caused us to shift the plan, and unfortunately, that means we had to cut the hike short, as you'll see later in the video. We are now approaching Landscape Arch, one of the most popular arches in the park, having the longest span of any arch in North America, with a light opening of 306 feet. And, if you ask us, it could have also been named Delicate Arch for how delicately thin it looks.
Landscape Arch.
wall arch.
This is what is left of Wall Arch, which collapsed on August 4th, 2008. We found this to be the point where most people turn back. The 40 to 50 degree ascent here looks daunting and may take some scrambling as I demonstrate here. As mentioned before, had we done this trail at sunrise, with time on our side and full of energy, we definitely would have ventured on to all the other arches on the other side. And we certainly hope you are better prepared to venture beyond this point.
Launch in 3, 2, 1.
We left things undone here. We'll be back one day to pick up where we left off.
All right.